Hey everybody, welcome back. So, I just got back from a extended stay in the woods and got a little bit of cleaning to do in here, but when I got back, we got our wiring for the F100. Finally, after 3 months of waiting, there it is. So that is a big beast that we got to put in here. So I was thinking about putting it underneath the seat, but now I'm not sure. So we're gonna go ahead and figure this out, and we've got to get the rest of the wiring off the motor now, and go from there. So until then, I'm gonna clean up my mess because I had my pickup in here for the time that I was gone. So excuse me. So I'm gonna go ahead and sweep this up, get it cleaned up, reorganized a little bit so that we can work on this hopefully today. See what we can do, but otherwise I am intending to do a different video today where we go get my wife's pickup and hopefully bring that back here. So we'll have to see what happens. Stick around. All right, so I've gone ahead and laid out most of this garbage on the truck here. I shouldn't say it's garbage, but good stuff. So this giant beast here we got to put in the truck. Get that out of here. We don't need the invoice. Comes with the warranty paper, sticker, and instructions, bag for all the wiring goodies that you need to use. So all these bags are labeled appropriately, and in the instructions it tells you exactly how everything goes. And let me see if I can find one. You can see, hopefully you can see that the wires are actually labeled to where they go, and they have all the connector positions on them as well. So like this one, it says labeled 35, so that will go to connector 35 on here. So we got to try and figure out where we're gonna put this beast. Behind the seat, under the seat, I don't know. Let's see, where are we here? Yeah. So speakers are just sitting back there right now. I don't know if I actually have room unless I make a mount off of the gas tank rail to mount it to, which I might do that. Make a mount to mount it there, mount the ECU there, all the wiring can come up there, and then it'd be nice and hidden. That might work. We might do that. Then I have good access to it too. Not quite sure. Not sure how the day is going to go. Not sure how far I'm going to get on this today. Don't expect it to go really quick. I'm going to take my time on it, make it nice, and see what we can do. But I'm gonna put all of these bags back in that little box and work on getting the wiring off of the motor right now. So we'll see what happens. Obviously I got this stuff all moved around. Got to change oil on my wife's vehicle too. In a couple weeks we got tires going on that, so I'm not gonna put them on. It needs to get alignment too. Yeah, so stick around here and we'll see what we can get accomplished. All right. Well, that was kind of a pain in the butt, but we're all disconnected now. Yeah, we got some work to do still in here, but you know what? It's not too bad. I got to fill in those holes now that we're not using them. That sucks, because that was decent. So yeah, hopefully everything will be good. I want to say this is the starter wire, which I wish I wouldn't have thrown away the other half of that, because I could use that right now, because that's not part of this harness. I'm going to leave this wire connected for the battery. I might redo the positive or the negative. I got to track down everything and see what we got going on. We got the wire already for the alternator, so we're good there. That's all good. We got to hook in. Probably going to hook into this and go to the fuse block. I don't know, we'll figure it out. That's all we can do, right? So we're going to get moving on this. I don't know as though I'm going to do this in one video or multiples. I haven't decided yet. So I might just do this in one long video. Well, probably won't be long because a lot of it's going to be time lapse, but it's not all going to get done today, and not even close. So I want to work on, let's see if we can get my wife's truck back here. So time will tell on that, but we're gonna look at the instructions here. It says to start with bag 60, which is a mass airflow sensor. Well, it's a good thing I just took that off. Oh boy. And we can run it all. We can run all of the wires in here, hook everything up, and then run it all where I want to run it to go into the body, and then hook everything up there, because we have the wires are labeled. So if I want to do that, we can do that. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll figure it out. So stick with me here. All right, wiring on the F100. So what I did is I took all of the wires, hooked them up. So everything is completely hooked up here on the engine. So everything as far as the new harness is hooked up. I did run the stuff for the horn, headlights, blinkers in the front. That's all ran. I know that these two are brake light wire. I'm probably going to rearrange that. So I ran the bundle through the floor. That is a thick bundle of wires. So there's also 3 extra here that go to the back to the fuel pump. And I haven't touched the wiring for inside the cab yet. We got all kinds of wires that I got to run in here, because I got the fuel pump module right there. Like I said, we're going to put this back here. I got to try and figure that out now so I can go ahead and get the rest of this stuff wired in. It's a huge chunk of wire here. So this, if I take this, I mean, it's just gigantic. So you could definitely put this in the trunk if you wanted to, if you had a trunk. I don't. Got that gas cap on there from the Chevy. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this taken care of. This is the wiring harness for the fuel pump, or the fuel pump module there. I think I'm gonna go with a bracket between 2 here. I got some 1/8 inch steel, so hopefully I can just bolt it in there and mount this and the ECU to it. Hopefully. Got some laying over there. So then we have foot pedal. I think that's for the foot pedal. No, sorry. That one's for this one's for the foot pedal. We got that one. This is supposed to be the inertia switch. Not gonna run that one. OBD2 port. Got to hook that one up so we can get the programming. That'll be fun. Then we had 2 other bags left yet. So this one is for a momentary switch so that you can lock out the 4th gear. And then this one is for the fan wiring if you're running an aftermarket fan. We are not running an aftermarket fan, we are running the factory fan. So in order to do that, we got red here. That one goes to positive, black, negative. And then we have the wire to turn it on because the module is built into the fan. So that wire here did not come with the kit, so I ran a separate wire in here. That's this gray-white wire that's going to be hooked up to that, and everything should be better, hopefully. So that's where we're at with this right now. Also, the kit from the neutral safety switch, it doesn't include extra lengths to go to your ignition switch and your starter, because the neutral safety switch is built into the range selector switch. So you have to run your own wires. So I got some extra wire here I ran because I know that this is the start switch, so I'll hook into that. And then I ran in the bundle. There is another wire that I ran, which would be this one actually, that goes up to the ignition switch. So I'm going to keep on moving on this. I got a little something other to do soon, and I'll probably sit with my wife the rest of the night. She's going to get off work here soon, so see what happens. But this is the mess that we're at right now. So hopefully by the time I'm done, it doesn't look like crap. So I'll leave it at this for right now. Stay tuned. Continue to subscribe. Do whatever you want to do. Like it. See what happens. I'm hoping I can get this programmed. So stick with me. Hopefully this will be running within the next couple weeks. So stick around. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.